Hi, DeMarcus. I wanted to talk to you about how you can catch up. I'm going to send you some things for the English 242A section, which we normally are writing 1.5 page or 2 page responses to in-class presentations. So I'm going to send you 2 videos and ask you to write responses to those videos. And again, like 1 pager responses, and with an evaluation, like what you think of them. So that will help you with the 242. With this class, with the 1S class, let's go through and see. So it looks like when I was looking at your, you submitted the essay, though it was short, for the and I still have to grade it. So your grade will go up once I go over that. So I'll grade this, and I'll grade this one. Let me just see here if you have it. Okay, so on the problem solution essay, you submitted it, but there's steps that are also worth points. So you want to go in and just write in what was your thesis and like what was your plan for the essay, and submit that here. And then for the peer review, you can't really get the points back for that one. And the group presentations, you can't get them back for, but if whichever one you are connected to, you were the nutrition art group, if you want to do a PowerPoint and record yourself with that, and where you kind of talk about the importance from like the main points from the book that Bennett talks about regarding nutrition, and you talk about those points and pose some questions, you could get the points back. And then you would choose one Umoja practice as well, which you can get off the umojacommunity.org site. And if you put that together in a presentation, like a PowerPoint, and record yourself doing that, or at least record your voice or record yourself with the slides, then you can get those points back as well. These discussion questions are posted. It's a section, questions that were about the intersectionality part, and then I'll grade this one. And then this will be one of the videos oh no, I'm sorry. For the online participation, you're supposed to write either a Twitter or Instagram post where about music or art, or whatever the topic is each week. There's another one here about nutrition, and you can catch up on those, and I will give you points. You just need to post them and tag either me on Twitter. If you look here, if you check the actual assignment, oh, it's not on there. You need to tag me at it's Kim C. Escamilla for Twitter, and it's the Foothill Umoja for Instagram, and you tag either one, and you can get points for that. So there's a lot of ways for you to catch up. The next big thing is the research paper that we're starting to work on for feminism. And if you go to files and you go here to the feminism section, here's the steps for the research essay. You can look over the steps, and here is the PowerPoint that goes over all of the parts and the prompt for the research. Okay, so if you have questions about that, let me know, but you can definitely get some stuff started, and I will be grading this weekend as well. Okay, so hang in there, and I will talk to you soon. And if you have specific questions, just text me. Okay, thanks. Bye.